Hello everyone, do you know that you can make big chops with small chops? Yes, you can make big chops with small chops. That's why I'm bringing you this video today on detailed business plan for small chops business in Nigeria. Detailed business plan for small chops business in Nigeria. The small chops business in Nigeria is a highly profitable and fast-growing venture. Small chops, popular finger foods such as samosas, puff-puff, spring rolls, and meat pies are staples at social events, corporate gatherings, and social or casual hangouts. With minimal startup capital and growing demand, especially in urban centers, this business offers a lucrative opportunity for entrepreneurs passionate about food and hospitality. This plan that I'm bringing to you in this video outlines how to start, operate, and scale a small chops business successfully. Number one part of the business plan is business overview. You must have a business name. So what is your business name? Is it Chop and Laugh, Chop and Small Chops International, or thereabout? Then the business type, small chops production and sales. Then the location should be in urban or semi-urban areas with high foot traffic, event hubs, or home-based with delivery services. The vision. The vision can be to become a leading provider of delicious, hygienic, and affordable small chops in Nigeria. The mission can be, and you can use this or you can modify this. The mission can be to deliver quality finger foods that delight customers at events and everyday occasions while maintaining excellent service and hygiene standards. Number two is the market analysis. Demand drivers. The demand drivers are integral role of small chops at Nigerian events like weddings, birthdays, corporate functions, and funerals. Now, increasing urban population and busy lifestyles boost demand for ready-to-eat snacks. Then small chops as affordable alternatives to full meals at casual gatherings. Now, what is the target market for small chops? Event planners and organizers, corporate organization for meetings and parties, individual customers for home parties and casual consumption, roadside consumers in busy commercial areas. What is the competition then? The competition can be numerous small-scale vendors and established caterers. Competitive edge lies in taste, hygiene, variety, pricing, and reliable delivery. Then the products and services. Common small chops items are samosa, puff-puff, spring rolls, mini sausage rolls, meat pies, yam balls, that's yamarita, chin-chin, pepper snails, grilled chicken pieces, gizdodo, that's plantain and gizzard, fish fingers, and chicken in batter. Additional services can include catering for events, small and large scale, delivery services for individual orders. Then training classes on small chops preparation is what you can also do, and this is optional for your diversification. Then startups requirements and equipment is number 4. Basic kitchen equipment are what you need, and they include large frying pans and deep fryers, mixers and graters, rolling boards and knives, spatulas, turners, and measuring cups. You also need trays and serving plates. You also need storage containers and refrigeration if possible. Now, what are the ingredients you need for this small chops? You need flour, yeast, sugar, salt, and spices. You need meat. It can be in form of chicken, beef, gizzard, snails, and thereabout. Then you need vegetables like onions, cabbage, carrots, and many more. Then you need oil for frying. Then you need plantain, yam, or other staples like sweet potato and normal Irish potato. Now, the product business model and operations is number 5 aspect of this business plan. Production. You prepare small chops in bulk daily or per order based on demand forecast. For your information, if you are based in Ilorin, I can refer you or tell you about Jasken pre-order food services. So Jasken Foods is located at Shop 25 inside of the University of Ilorin, beside the Student Affairs unit in the University of Ilorin campus. So what they do basically is pre-order meals. So whether you want pre-order soup, pre-order rice for your events, for your meetings, for your convocation, for your special meetings, or thereabout, marriages, but you have to, it's pre-order. It's not a restaurant per se, it's pre-order. So you just place your order and then they can prepare it for you. They also prepare small chops also. So I want you to contact them. You can contact Jasken Foods by calling or sending WhatsApp message to 080-6623-5778. I take that again, 080-6623-5778. So I said number 5 part of this business plan is business model and operations. So the production, you prepare small chops in bulk daily or per order based on demand forecast. Maintain strict hygiene and quality standards to build customer trust. Now, how do you sell? What are the sales channels? Roadside stores or kiosks in busy locations, direct supply to event organizers and corporate clients. Online orders via WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook with home delivery. Pricing strategy. Price completely based on local market rates and cost of production. Offer combo deals and bulk discounts for events. Number 6 is the marketing strategy. Word of mouth. Encourage satisfied customers to refer others. Social media. Post attractive photos and videos of your small shops on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Flyers and posters. Distribute in local markets, offices, and residential areas. Event partnerships. Collaborate with event planners and venues for regular contracts. Then customer engagement. Offer loyalty discounts and occasional freebies to repeat customers. Now, number 7 is the financial plan. Number 7 part of this business plan for small chops business in Nigeria is the financial plan. Estimated startup capital is 150,000 to 500,000 naira, depending on your scale, and you can even have up to 1 million. Then in this business plan, we look at the kitchen equipment. In this financial plan, kitchen equipment can cost you 70,000. Then fryers, mixers, utensils. Then initial ingredients can cost 50,000 naira. Bulk purchase of raw materials. Marketing and branding can cost 20,000 naira. Flyers, social media ads, and many more. Then packaging and serving materials can be 10,000 naira. Plates, wrappers, and bags. Then miscellaneous buffer can cost you 20,000 naira. That can be transport, utilities, and contingencies. And the total can be up to 170, 500. This is just hypothetical values. You can scale it up depending on the price of things in your locality. Now, what are the revenue projections? Average markup is 50 to 100% depending on product and location. I've done other videos talking about food business. Food business is serious business, just like sheep business. And then this small chops business is a subset or a kind of food business also. So, and you can make average markup of 50 to 100,000, 100%, depending on product and location. Daily sales target can be 5,000 naira to 15,000 naira. In small scale operations, 50,000 plus for event catering. Then break even is achievable within around 3 months with consistent sales and reinvestment. Number 8 part of this business plan is risk analysis and mitigation. Food safety risks: maintain hygiene, proper storage, and timely preparation to avoid spoilage. Competition: differentiate with unique recipes, super taste, and excellent customer service. Then your supply chain disruptions: source ingredients from multiple suppliers to avoid shortages. Then economic fluctuations: adjust pricing and portion sizes to remain affordable during inflation. Number 9 part of this business plan for small chops business in Nigeria is growth and expansion strategy. Expand product range to include beverages and other Nigerian delicacies. Open additional stores or partner with supermarkets for retail sales. Launch an online ordering platform with delivery logistics. offer catering services for larger corporate and social events, then start training programs to monetize skills and build a team. In conclusion, the small chops business in Nigeria is a vibrant and profitable venture with low entry barriers and high demand. By focusing on quality, hygiene, customer engagement, and strategic marketing, entrepreneurs can build a sustainable and scalable business with dedication and market and smart management. The small chops business can generate significant income and open doors to related catering and food service opportunities. So, this is Dr. Olumekade YouTube channel. Please, I want to subscribe to this channel. If you have gained value, like this video also, share the link of this video with family and friends, and drop your comment and question in the comment section below. I want you to go ahead now and watch this video popping up by the side of my channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.